Handshake again?
Yeah.
I'm happy to be here.
Yes. We are also happy to receive you here as our head coach. This is to inform the football fraternity in Kenya that we have, as Gor Mahia, mutually terminated the contracts of our head coach, Mark Harrison, assistant coach, Sami Omolo, and goalkeeper trainer, Jerry Oduor. And we wish them well in whatever other undertakings they are going to be engaged in. In the same breath, I would like to announce that we have engaged as our new head coach, Mr. Andreas Spier from Germany, and with immediate effect on an interim basis, in the sense that upon expiry of a specified time, we will review the contract. To assist him, we have engaged a very seasoned coach, Mr. Michael Nam, and we want to wish them well in their new engagement with Gor Mahia.
I'm very happy for this opportunity to coach, as head coach, the Gor Mahia team. I'm aware it's a club with tradition, it's a club with history, with football history, and I know that the fifth place now is not reflecting the ambition of the club. We will try our best as a coach team. We will try together with the club responsibles, and first of all, we have to handle and to evaluate the team. I know it is a young team, but for us it's a situation that we can resolve, and that these children, they can grow up, but also to create a good team, to push the team to get also immediate results. I know this, we are responsible in front of our fans. I know it's a big community, and we have to respect them and to make them happy.